Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Aap Seekhein. Today in this conversation we are going to go through the airport step by step, learning important vocabulary and useful phrases along the way. तो चलें शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू है तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियोस आपको बआसानी मिल सकें। Conversation number 1. At the check-in desk. Agent. Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today? Dan. Los Angeles. Agent. May I have your passport, please? Dan. Here you go. Agent. Are you checking any bags? Dan. Just this one. Agent. Okay. Please place your bag on the scale. Dan. I have a stopover in Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there? Agent. No, it'll go straight through to Los Angeles. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 15A and it'll begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E. Dan. Thanks. Conversation number 2. Going through security. Agent. Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt and use the bins for small objects. Dan. Do I need to take my laptop out of the bag? Agent. Yes, you do. Take off your hat and your shoes too. He walks through the metal detector. Agent. Please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets? Keys, cell phone, loose change? Dan. I don't think so. Let me try taking off my belt. Agent. Okay, come on through. He goes through the metal detector again. Agent. You're all set. Have a nice flight. The phrase you're all set is a common expression that means you're finished and everything is okay. Phrasal verbs set off and go off. When the alarm sounds, we say the alarm went off. To describe what caused the alarm to sound, we say set off. For example, my keys set off the alarm or my keys set off the metal detector. Conversation 3. On the plane. Flight attendant. Chicken or pasta? Dan. Sorry? Flight attendant. Would you like chicken or pasta? Dan. I'll have the chicken. Flight attendant. Anything to drink? Dan. What kind of soda do you have? Flight attendant. Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Orange, and Dr. Pepper. Dan. A Diet Coke, no ice please. Flight attendant. Here you go. Dan. Thanks. If you want to ask for something, you can use the phrase, can I have? Or, could I have? Practice your pronunciation with these common requests. Can I have a pillow? Can I have a blanket? Can I have a pair of headphones, earbuds? Could I have some water, tea, coffee? Could I have some extra napkins? तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की क्लास। आई होप ये कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी। इन सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस जरूर कीजिएगा। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। हम फिर मिलेंगे अपनी नई क्लास में। टेक केयर।